What's up, Herbalife 24? My name is AJ Perez. Today, I'm gonna take you through a crazy 8 HIIT workout. So if you have dumbbells at home, great. If you don't have dumbbells at home, it's all good. You could do this body weight, you could do it with or without dumbbells. You could grab a water bottle and pretend that it's a dumbbell, okay? So crazy 8 workout. You got 8 different moves, 8 reps of each one. We're gonna go through it 3 times. First move, it's called a crossover push-up. We're gonna drop down to the floor. All right, guys, it's gonna start off with the upper body. We drop down in 3, 2, 1. So what we focus on, push-up position, and then we turn our body, cross one arm over, replace it to the other side, drop down, push-up is 1, cross it back, 2, cross it back, 3. Remember, we got 8 of each one of these. 4, that means we're halfway there. 5, 6, 7, we got 1 more to go. There's 8, good, bring it up. Now, from here, we're gonna do a weighted thruster. If you got dumbbells, grab them, options. 1 dumbbell, it's a little too heavy, you can drop this, hold on to 1 dumbbell, or no dumbbells. We got 8 thrusters. Squat, press the ceiling. Now, you wanna make this one fluid motion, exhale at the top, use the strength that you'd use from the squat, going up against gravity, into the shoulder press. 3 more to go. 7, 8, drop the weights, and don't round your back to drop the weights, okay? Coming up next, we got a burpee jump. 8 burpee jumps, you drop down to the floor, push up position, shoot the legs out, push up, feet in, and jump, that's 1. Now, if you need to, you can execute the burpee with or without the push up, with or without the jump. 4 more to go. 5, 6, 7, last one, and 8. Whew. Next move, we're gonna drop down for a floor chest press. When you drop down to the floor, grab your weights, lay back, flat, against your mat. We exhale every time we press the ceiling, elbows at 90 degrees, we push up, squeeze the pectorals in together, that's 1. So right here, we're just pushing up against gravity if you don't have the dumbbells. Either one is gonna work. 3, every time you press that ceiling, I want you to give me an exhale. 5 more to go. 6, 7, 8, drop the weights. Coming up next, you're gonna give me a set of jump squats, feet shoulder width apart, to the floor, jump up to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you can't perform your squat jump, you can do this without a jump and still be explosive. Last one, last one with the jump squats. Now, let's go back and work the legs again. You're gonna give me what's called a power snatch. 1 dumbbell is all that's required, or again, water bottle, or nothing at all. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the weight, feet shoulder width apart. It's a mix between a deadlift and a squat. As you approach this weight, you're gonna be powerful, 1 fluid motion up over your head, press the ceiling when your elbow gets to its highest point. We got 8 of these, alternate each arm. We go in 3, 2, 1, snatch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, you don't gotta wait at home, good. Don't need it. 2 more. 7, 8. Back down. Good. Now from here, we're gonna take this into a 180-degree burpee. Same burpee you did before, but every time you come up, you're gonna spin halfway to the other side of the mat. Start off with the burpee, then we flip up in the air. 3, 2, 1, drop, push up, jump, spin around. That's 1. 2, 3, 4. Now remember, your body might be tired after this. Oops, forgot to spin right there. So that means I'm tired. I forget some of these moves. I might forget to spin. That's how you know it's working. Last one. Woo. Jump, spin. Time to grab those weights 1 more time. We're gonna finish up this series with a set of 8 deadlifts. Chest tall. We're gonna hinge from the hips, fire up your glutes in 3, 2, 1. Squeeze the glutes at the top. Now the deadlift, this is not a quadricep dominant exercise. Notice my knees are not bending down like a squat. What's important, 4 more of these, is your hinge. Boom. Your hips and your glutes shoot back. Last 2. 1 more. 8. All right. Second set. We're going right back down to the floor. We started back over with the cross over push-up. We're going 3, 2, 1. Move it over. Now second set. I want you to pick up the intensity just a little bit, because good thing about this, if you go through it again, you already know all these moves, okay? 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Good. Bring it back up. Grab your weights. We press that ceiling. We got thrusters. 3, 2, 1, 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Halfway there. 5 more. 6, 7, 8. Drop the weights. Back to the burpee. Remember, push up is optional. The jump is optional. 3, 2, 1. Drop. 1, 2. Now on the way back for the burpee, I want you to squeeze your abs. Boom. In, boom, and up. 4 more. 5, 6, 7. Last one. 8. Whew. Back onto the floor. Let's give your legs a little rest, okay? After the burpee, legs are tired. Cool. While the legs get a rest, whew, we're back to the chest press. That's 1, 2. So while your legs are resting, 4 more to go. We're gonna focus on the upper body. Last 2. 7, 8. Whew. Weights back down. Now, we gotta move back onto the legs. You got jump squats. Jump up as high as you can if you can handle it. If not, you can still be explosive without your feet leaving the ground. We got 8 of them. 3, 2, 1. Drop, jump. 1, 3, 4. 4 more to go. 6, 7. Last one. 8. All right. Coming up next, we got to move into the power snatch. One more time. Good form. Chest is tall on the way up. Snatch it. Flip it at the highest point of your elbow. 2, 3, 4. Now what I like to do to counterbalance while one arm is loaded, one is reaching out to the side. So that way, boom, I can keep stability in the rest of my body. Last 2. 1 more. 8 and down. All right, y'all. Now we gotta do that 180-degree burpee. Second time through. We going 3, 2, 1. Drop, up, spin, flip to the other side. 1, 2, 3, hey, 4. Now remember, modified versions. You can step, boom, boom. You can skip the push-up, okay? Final 2. Last one. Now we gotta go back. We're dropping down for another set of those deadlifts. Grab the weights, chest tall, hinge back, squeeze in 3, 2, 1. Now, as you guys work the deadlift, it's not a squat. Okay, during the squat, your quadriceps, that means the front of your legs, those are the main focus. For the deadlifts, last 3, you wanna shoot your hips back, chest tall, and keep your posterior chain intact. Do not round your back. Squeeze your glutes at the top of this final rep. Now, we're gonna drop the weights. Really important in the middle of your workouts to focus on hydration. Now, double fisting today with the hydration, okay? What we're gonna do next for the final set, I'm gonna substitute my dumbbells because I'm tired, and I'm sure you are too. I'm gonna substitute them with the water bottles. Now, we're going right back to the crossover push-up. One more time through this set. We go in 3, 2, 1. Cross it over. 1, 2, 3. I know the upper body's burning right now. Halfway there. 5. But after this, upper body gets a break, and we use the legs. Last one. Whew. All right, we'll grab these water bottles. We take it up through a thruster. Weights up to your shoulders. Drop down in 3, 2, 1. Squat, press. 2, 3, 4 more to go. I know you're tired, but good news. This is your last one. Boom. Drop the weights. We're going to another set of burpees. We got 8 of them. Remember, push-up optional. The jump optional. If you want to turn it up a notch, you go right ahead. 3, 2, 1. Burpee. Legs up. Jump. 1. 2. Now the burpee's a full body move. Your shoulders. Your legs. Halfway there. Your core. The whole body's working for this one move. 1 more to go after this. 7, 8. Whew. Now let's give your legs a big break. We're back on the back. We got a chest press. Squeeze the chest together in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more to go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop. Now we got to hit the legs 1 more time. We got those squat jumps. Drop down in 3, 2, 1, 1. Remember to land soft. I would rather you not jump at all than compromise forward. Remember, the jump is optional. Last 2. Now grab just 1 weight. Power snatches. Chest tall. 3, 2, 1. Up. 1. Alternate. 2, 3. Try with your hips. 4. Come on. 5 more to go. This is it. 6, 7, 8. Now, we're going back to the burpee. We're back to that 180-degree burpee. You might get a little dizzy. Take your time between. We go in 3, 2, 1. Up, jump, spin around. 1, 2. Feel like Spider-Man today. 3. Good news. Halfway through it. 4 more. 5, 6, 7. I feel it. Last one. Whew. All right. Now, last move. We got that deadlift. I want you to grab both of your weights. The focus is not on the quads. It's on the back of your legs, your hamstrings and your glutes. Remember that as we go down. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Try to be explosive. 4 more. On the way up with your hips. Squeeze your glutes at the top. 1 more. 8. Herbalife 24. Great job in your Crazy 8 workout. Remember to stay hydrated. My name is AJ. This is Herbalife 24. I'll see you guys in the next workout.